My name is Emilio Bravo.
My name's Alyssa Camero.
I'm in the men's tennis team.
I'm on the NKU women's tennis team.
My major is international business and marketing.
And I'm studying exercise science.
Being an student athlete means to have discipline and also have a good time management.
So I think being a student athlete for me has been awesome. I've been able to meet so many amazing people, being able to study and play tennis all at the same time.
I'm an international student here at NKU, so I connect a lot with my teammates because some of them, they are also international students.
There's lots of differences between Australia and America. The tennis here is awesome because I get to play against all the top people from all different countries around the world.
Something that people don't know about being a student athlete, sometimes you are not passing a good time. It can be with injuries or something else, so it's tough to combine that moment with the stress to have good grades.
So one thing that other people may not see and notice about a student athlete is how busy we are and all the chaos that goes on throughout every day. We tend to not have much spare time at all throughout the day.
After my graduation, I would like to come back to Mexico and play tournaments and tennis as long as I can, and after use my degree for whatever comes next.
So with my exercise science degree, right now I'm tossing up between becoming an athletic trainer or a high school PE teacher. Not sure yet, but soon we'll know.